Asking someone out, whether in person or via message, requires a bit of courage and planning. But the first step is ensuring you have a way to reach her, such as getting her number under a casual pretext or connecting on social media. When you are ready to ask, you can keep the initial request low pressure by simply messaging to ask if she is free to hang out. Or you can suggest a specific mutual interest activity like a concert, a movie, or an event you are already planning to attend. For a more private approach, consider writing a brief note, always making sure the method aligns with her personality to avoid causing embarrassment in a public situation. Regardless of how you ask, the most crucial part of connecting is finding common ground and initiating conversation beforehand by introducing yourself and actively listening to her talk about her interest, which is key to genuinely getting to know her better.